and today I'm going to be baking a chocolate banana cake. First, you will need the following ingredients: 100 grams of butter, 80 grams of sugar, 2 cracked eggs, 100 grams of flour. You will need 20 grams of cacao powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And you will also need 1 banana, which is mushed up. And you will need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. So first, you will need to put in 100 grams of butter. Next, you're gonna put in your sugar. And then you're gonna put in your 2 cracked eggs. Mix it well with your whisk. You need to mix it until you can't see the butter anymore. Once you have done mixing that, you're just gonna put some flour, cacao powder, and baking powder. But those 3 ingredients must be sieved. And you're just gonna put that in the bowl and stir that with your spatula. So you need to take all of that powder and then cut it into, and just repeat that until all of your powder and your butter, egg, and sugar is mixed. Once you have mixed those ingredients all together, you will be putting in your bananas. And if you want, just put in some nuts. I'm gonna put in some little tiny walnuts and just stir that. And once you're finished stirring that, and when your banana is all over the place, you're just gonna put it in your cake mold. It can be any size and any shape, but I just found this round shaped cake mold. So I'm just gonna put that mix into my cake mold. Once you have finished putting all of that into your cake mold, you're just gonna tap it until it's spread out all over your cake mold. And make sure there isn't any bubbles in your cake mix. And then now you're going to be putting your cake into the oven for 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy your cake.